Okay, we've gotten a lot of calls lately with people needing help installing Logic, um, and the problem is that this is a one-off file, and Windows has gotten super paranoid about letting you install anything that, basically doesn't come from Microsoft or, have a security certificate with it. We did get a security certificate. The download can be traced back to us, but still it makes you jump through a few hoops. It's really not difficult, but you just kind of need to read through it, but I'll show you here. Normally you can just click here and it will go ahead and install, but some mailers don't do that. People click and, well, nothing happens. I can't help you with that. That's a problem with your mailer, but that's an easy problem to get around. I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it. I have Microsoft Edge over here. Each browser is going to be a little different, so if you want to follow along with this browser, use Microsoft Edge. Okay, and I go to download it. And it's saying it isn't commonly downloaded, make sure, yada, yada, yada. So I click here on the three dots and tell it to keep. And it's showing me, make sure you trust it. And delete or cancel. Well, that's not too helpful. So I go here to show more, which they kind of have hidden. And I can report this app as safe. And, that doesn't really solve the problem. Just if a lot of people downloaded this file, it would stop asking, but the problem is that only you will be downloading this file. This is my file here. So, you won't be able to, just be me downloading it, and I'm going to delete it off the server when I get done with this video. So anyway, your customer number will be here. It'll be a little different. So click on keep anyway, okay? So we keep anyway. Wait. Okay, now I want to open file. Okay, so let me do that. And here we go again. Windows protected your PC. Don't run, but click, and which of course isn't what we want. Hidden up here is more info. Okay, so I click more info. I tell it to run anyway. Okay. And so, okay, we're running. We're off and running now. So I just kind of go through here and just take all the defaults, and basically you're good to go. Okay. Check our website, hoseknowes.com. Our phone number's there, and you can we can log into your system and assist you if you need help. All right. Thanks a lot.